guys, it's on.
Hi guys! Hi everybody! This is Mrs. Rowe.
And Mr. Leaper.
I'm Mr. Kubik. You don't know me. I'm Mrs. Powers.
And she has Cheeky Ducky. Alright, so we're here to show you how to install an extension on your document, right?
Yep. Yeah. It's going to be great.
Correct.
Perfect. So, why do we need to do this anyhow? Does somebody know?
So that you can have a references page and make sure that you get all your points on your argumentative writing essay.
It'll be easier for you.
Do we have to have a reference page?
Yes, you do.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely, 100%.
We have to have a reference page. It is in the rubric, so it is a requirement.
It's okay. There's an extension for that.
There's an extension for everything.
Let's show Miss Rowe where the extension is.
Yeah, how do I start this?
Well, take the mouse.
You have to have a Word doc open.
Yeah, but leave it on the
Open
desk and
a
move it
blank
around.
Word doc.
Hey, there happens to be a
Google
blank
Doc.
one right here. It's even untitled.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Click on add-ons.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, right there.
Ooh, right here. Add-ons. All right, click on it. Now what?
Get add-ons. Right?
Yeah, because you want to get an add-on.
You want to get
You
it
want
for your
to get
document.
an EasyBib add-on.
EasyBib.
You know what I think?
Add it on.
I think I'm going to get an add-on.
Yeah, add
All
it.
right.
Awesome.
Whoa.
Yes, and then you're going to search Easy, E-A-S-Y.
Bib. B-I-B.
Mr. Kubik, what is it?
EasyBib. Add-on.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, search that.
Oh!
Yes.
Hey.
Look at that. Winning.
And
Amazing.
it's free.
Free. We like free. Click on free.
So it says EasyBib Bibliography Creator. So we do want a reference page and we want to create citations and it generates them for us
Add it.
on my Google Docs.
Yes,
I
add
think
it.
I shall.
Oh,
Oh!
already.
I could really go for
Oh,
some
dang.
Pizza Ranch right
Click
now.
on your name, Mrs. Rowe, and all of our students should click on their name when it
So here I am.
shows up. Click
Click it.
go down to the
Nice.
bottom.
It wants to view it. Do I want all this,
Just
Jeff?
let it go.
Allow.
Allow
I'm going to
all
allow.
You can do
Yeah.
it. Just
Allow
trust
all
us.
of it.
Okay.
It's working.
It's
Yeah.
working. It's done.
EasyBib Bibliography Creator. Okay,
Yeah.
now what do I do?
Well, if you go right here, you'll see that it got added.
To the
Yeah.
little dots. They can't see that, by the way, because it's off to the side.
Oh, never mind.
But
Oh
it's
yeah,
coming
when
up
you
here.
click on more tools and you click on extensions, it shows you the list. You can verify that it's there. See, look, she also has the Bitmoji extension.
Where do you see that?
Oh, it's not there. Never mind.
Oh, don't I have to refresh the page?
Maybe.
We'll find out.
See, kids, you're learning right along with us.
Maybe.
Either way,
We haven't
it's
done this
here.
for a year.
No,
Oh,
it's
yeah,
on. It's on here.
It's
It's
there.
on add-ons.
It's on here.
That was
yeah.
that was something different. That was extension.
Never mind.
Extensions and add-ons.
We're not
Sure.
doing
I
extensions.
guess.
We're doing add-ons. So it's
Sure.
here. There it
Manage.
is.
Confused.
You click on
Woo,
manage.
woo.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So I'm going to manage my bibliography because I think I'm
Learning
going to
books.
start a bibliography for what I've learned about add-ons. Just kidding.
So if you open
Ooh.
up a new website, Mrs. Rowe,
Yeah, I'm going to do that right now.
yeah, open a new tab and type in something like, I don't know, school uniforms.
Why Yoda is the best.
Sure.
Jedi.
You're going to find some credible sources linked
Very
to that
credible.
Oh my gosh. Look at all this. You know, I'm gonna find somebody who's probably very knowledgeable on
topic. Yoda?
Yoda,
Oh,
Comic
God.
Vine.
And we might
Do
be
you
here a
think-
while.
Stop it.
Come
I-
on. They don't want
Yeah.
to watch
The StarWars.com.
20 minutes of this.
No, this
So
is
let's
good.
pretend that this site is credible.
We're pretending.
We're pretending.
Pretending.
The
Look at-
land of make-believe.
He's my my
Okay,
favorite.
so you
Okay,
find a quote
anyways.
in there, right? Stay focused.
Got it?
And you want to cite a quote or a paraphrase. You want to use a quote or a paraphrase
do.
in your essay
Yep.
from this website. If you're going to do that, you have to show us the list at the end of all of your sources in order. And
Yep.
so you're going to use this EasyBib add-on to do that. So you're going to take that URL. Mrs. Rowe copied the URL at the top of the website and she
Mhm.
pasted it right into there
Yep.
after she clicked on the website button. Did you click on the website button? Right?
Yep, she did.
I
so
did.
now you're going to push search.
Oh, just like that. All right.
Uh-oh, we forgot something.
What?
It's in MLA format. We have to change
Oh,
it to
dang.
APA.
Yes, yes,
Good
yes.
thing we're all
APA
together.
is what we're doing.
Now you have to insert the link in again
Okay.
after you change it to APA.
It's okay. You can
Don't
paste that.
forget APA.
What?
Don't
Don't
forget
forget
APA.
Oh, okay.
I
Okay,
thought-
good. Search. Now you can select that first one.
Ooh,
that
there it
popped
is.
up.
There's that.
Yeah. Select
The 10 best Jedi.
and then add
Oh!
bibliography to doc.
Add it. And
Oh
done.
my goodness.
It's
There
done.
it is.
Oh, it even gives me my title because I
Yeah.
want that there. And it's indented how I'd want it and has the date.
It just did it all for you.
All
But
of
here's
it.
the thing: if you keep using this, so if you now enter in another URL from another website,
Yes.
it's even going to alphabetize it for you, which is fantastic.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Yes!
The only thing that it doesn't do.
Oh.
So if you're on an article and you decide to type up your own list of that source, it's not going to alphabetize it for you. Then you have to put it in the right order. But otherwise, as long as you're using the EasyBib, it's going to alphabetize for you, baby.
I love it. Hey,
Oh,
so when I write an argumentative paper or an essay, I want to use all of the sources. So I have, how many am I supposed to have in this
4.
essay? 2 to
4.
4?
4.
4.
Go for the 4.
Go for the 4. So I want 4. So I should have 4 of these in here.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. And I probably should wait until I'm done doing my research to do that and enter those in, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, because
wanna make
then
sure.
you can make sure that you
You've
have
used
enough information
Right.
from those sources. Otherwise,
That
you
use
create
the
one of
right
these.
ones.
Right.
You create one of these and then be like, "There's no info in there," and you just went
True.
to all that work and you're not even going to use it.
Got it.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Anything else?
Game
Nope.
over.
Hey, what are you guys going
See
to
you
do
later.
after school today?
Game changer.
I'm
What am I going to do?
going to drive my new minivan.
Go to Pizza Ranch.
Oh, I wish I had a minivan.
I love
I'm
my
in a
minivan.
color.
I think you can
love
still follow
minivans.
at It's That White Gold on Instagram, though.
Oh, dear.
I sold the rights to the minivan page.
You
For
should
real,
you
you
should
did
sell it to
not.
Michelle because she has the white minivan.
Ah!
Well, she's got the blue black, not white gold. Look it up. It's a dress.
We're cool.
It's a
Be
dress.
like
Bye,
us.
7th graders.
Bye. See you later.
We're out.